sorry.
The Big Bang. Our stars are quite similar. 93 million miles away from the surface of your planet is the small yellow dwarf star you call Sun. Your solar system and its singular star is quite beautiful. Our Xandarian system boasts 3 stars or suns, 2 yellow and 1 red. Observant Terrans may have noted that they provide the inspiration for the distinctive symbol of the Nova Corps, our intergalactic peacekeeping force. My home planet might look familiar to you, as it shares many features with your Terra. Xandar is known as a peaceful paradise in the stars, a beautiful world filled with land masses and dominated by vast blue waters. From space, you can see maelstroms, powerful whirlpools which we harness for energy. Observe our many atolls, what you call coral reefs, which grace our coastline. Colorful algae bloom.
Looking for a stellar education. We are proud of our foundational learning, and teachers are highly respected on our planet. On Xandar, we are never far removed from the natural world, and caring for the environment is one of our core principles. Our lush, exotic gardens are the envy of the galaxy. Xandar features an unparalleled collection of arboretums and recreational areas for all to enjoy. Our biomes feature rare species of flora from across the galaxy, such as Hydnora and Lithops from the Sovereign Planet.
Through the years, new citizens brought
I suppose now is a good time to introduce myself. I am Corbin with
This ship because of its size.
The differences in rank are noted subtly in the stars sitting on our arms. One horizontal bar for foreman, a T for denarian, a cross for millennium, a half stars.
My planet. Thank you, tomorrow.
I would love to hear more about how Terra was chosen for this Wonders of Xandar tour.
Well, that was totally my idea. And epcot, too, because I love that place. It's awesome. I went there as a kid, and I mean, I cannot wait to get to go back and ride Horizons. Also want to see the energy, dinosaurs, and of course, hear the veggie fruit food. I mean, it's the best.
Okay, well, I'm sure it will be wonderful for you to relive all of those memories again. And it's thanks to the Guardians that Xandar is reaching out to other cultures across the galaxy.
So he's talking about all the rides that were here. And he's saying about Horizon, Universe of Energy, which what's this ride?
What was it like?
Very slow, not boring.
am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcoters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot-tarians. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
Oh, Christ.
Is that the thing then?
The Big Bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator!
Contained, but not
think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
Ah, you are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.